Alright guys, this is a really quick video and I wanted to post it because I've had this problem with my Bose Quiet Comfort 2s, Bose Quiet Comfort 2s, whatever they're called, these headphones, where I would connect them to my computer and I would get like a jittering sound, and I spent ages, probably about 5-7 months, trying to find an answer as to why these things would get this funny jitter noise. Like sometimes you'd listen to stuff on the computer and it would be fine, and then all of a sudden it would be like sound, and there would be like this every sort of 3-5 seconds, and then there'd be this little pause, a little sort of a break in the sound. I was like, what is causing this? And then I figured out that stuff on my phone would play fine, but it only ever seemed to be stuff on the computer. And I'd read all these things online saying, oh my goodness, no, it's a driver issue, remove all your USB drivers, remove your Bluetooth drivers, try a different USB port on your Bluetooth dongle, all this type of stuff. And it was just driving me bananas. I have solved the problem for me. I don't know if this solution will work for you, and it is a super simple solution, and when you see it, you'll be like, oh my goodness. It has worked every single time for me now. It always works perfectly. My sound is perfect on both devices. The secret, only connect to one device. That's it. Whenever I have my headphones, these things connected to my phone and the computer, sooner or later the phone wants to play a sound, or the phone does something and sends a signal to these headphones, and then that messes up the sound that the computer is sending, and then from that point on I get these funny ticks. Sometimes it'll happen within 5 seconds of connecting, sometimes it'll wait 40 minutes, whatever. I don't know what causes it, but that's what causes it. So what I do is when I connect it to the computer, I go straight onto my phone and I'll play a little video here, go into the settings, into your Bluetooth settings, and it'll say connected to 2 devices. Sorry, it might not say in your phone settings connected to 2 devices, because I've got it connected to my watch. So my phone is connected to my watch and these things. The headphones are connected to the phone and the computer. All you have to do is disconnect it from whatever other device. So if you can go into the Bose app probably and see whether or not the Bose app tells you if you connect to another device. Let's say you connected to the computer and maybe your watch, or the computer and some other audio device. If these are connected to 2 devices, that may be causing your issues. Change these so they're only connected to 1. Hope that helps you. Comment down below if it helps, and have a good day.